I'm doing a rebuild of the carburetor on my 2001 YZ250 right now, and I figured I'd make a video to show what comes in the kit, because I don't know if I saw any videos when I was researching it, but basically there's enough parts to replace all of these. So these are the old ones that are getting replaced. Obviously it has new gaskets and O-rings. It has the screws as well. It has a new circlip. For the float. So looks like it has 6 screws. Looks like a pretty good kit for the 2001 YZ250 carburetor. Yeah, just showing what's exactly in this kit, because like I said, I don't think the photos showed specifically for this bike. So it was the AllBalls Carb rebuild kit 26-1205, made in China.